In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Goodday for sprint planning. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly how to set up a sprint project using one of Goodday's built-in templates, so you can get your team organized quickly and consistently. Let's start from your main Goodday workspace. Look towards the left-hand side of your screen where you'll see a panel with your navigation and items. Here, you'll find a small plus sign. Go ahead and click on that plus sign. This is your main entry point for creating new items in Goodday, including tasks, events, and most importantly for us, projects. After you click the plus sign, a menu will appear with several options. From this list, choose the option labeled Project. This tells Goodday that you want to create a new project space, which is exactly what you'll use to structure your sprint. Projects in Goodday act as containers for all the tasks, deadlines, and activities related to a particular initiative, so creating a dedicated project for each sprint keeps everything tidy and easy to track. Once you've selected Project, Goodday will open a new window or panel where you can configure this project. Here, you should see an option or tab called Template Library. Click on Template Library. The Template Library is a collection of pre-configured project setups that Goodday provides, designed to match common workflows. Using a template saves time and ensures you don't miss any important configuration details. Inside the template library, look for a template called Sprint. This template is specifically designed for agile sprint planning and execution. Click on Sprint. By selecting this template, Goodday will automatically apply a structure tailored for sprints, which often includes common fields, views, and default settings that support planning, tracking progress, and reviewing work at the end of the sprint. Next, you'll be prompted to give your new sprint project a name. Click into the name field and type in a clear descriptive title. For example, you might follow a format like Sprint 12 March or Mobile App Sprint Week 3. A good naming convention helps your team quickly understand what the sprint covers and when it's scheduled. Once you've typed in the name and you're happy with it, look for the button labeled Submit and click on it. This finalizes the creation of your sprint project using the sprint template. Goodday will now generate the project for you, and you'll be taken into the new sprint workspace, ready to start adding tasks, assigning owners, and planning your upcoming work.